Hey everyone, Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today I'm showing you how to make a simple strawberry sauce. I hope you're ready for a quick and easy recipe video today because this homemade strawberry sauce is incredibly easy to make. Now, this sauce is great for pouring over vanilla ice cream or serving over angel food cake or pound cake, or you can just eat it straight out of the jar. Now, to get started, you're going to want to head over to your stovetop. You're going to need a medium-sized saucepan. And next you're going to need your strawberries. You are going to need 1 pound of fresh strawberries for today's recipe. You'll want to wash them, slice off the tops, and cut them into about quarter-sized pieces. These are cut into quarters. We're going to add these to our saucepan. Next we're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, I did try this recipe a lot of different ways, and I tried it without cornstarch because I know not everyone loves using it. I found that this strawberry sauce will work if you leave out the cornstarch, but you're going to have to cook it for much longer, and it's never going to really thicken up. If you add the cornstarch, it's going to have like a nice glaze-like texture. It's going to be a lot thicker. I prefer it with the cornstarch. We're also just going to add a pinch of salt for a little bit of flavor. This is just an 1/8 teaspoon. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now turn your stovetop to medium heat. We're going to stir everything together until it's nicely combined. You're going to want to cook your strawberries until they release their juices. You'll notice that this gets very juicy. Now once your strawberries have cooked and they're nice and juicy, you're going to want to bring this mixture to a boil. Once your mixture comes to a boil, you're going to want to cook it for 1 minute at a boil. Once you've boiled your mixture for 1 minute, you're going to want to reduce the heat and bring it to a simmer. Now continue to cook your berries at a simmer until they've thickened to your desired consistency. Now for me, this usually means cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes. I do like my strawberry sauce to be a little bit loose still. I don't want it to be like a jam and to be very thick. And keep in mind that once you take your strawberry sauce off the heat, as it cools, it's going to thicken up even more. So you want it to be a little bit runny. This is looking pretty good right now, so we're going to remove our sauce from the heat. Now this step is completely optional. If you want your strawberry sauce to taste like bright, fresh, straight up strawberries and nothing else, then you don't have to add anything else. However, I found that I like a little bit of vanilla flavor in my strawberry sauce. I'm going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So if you want to add vanilla extract, add it now and stir it in. All right, at this point, your strawberry sauce is really done. If you like it warm, you can serve it warm over anything. I like mine on angel food cake, pound cake, vanilla ice cream, just about anything you would like. Or you can let it cool and then you can reheat it a little bit to warm it up, get it a little bit looser again, and serve it over whatever you would like. And that is how you make homemade strawberry sauce completely from scratch. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's super simple recipe video. If you try this one out, please let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Hey, if you guys enjoyed today's strawberry sauce recipe video, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, here are a few others you might like as well.